All right, here's a couple of more factoring kind of questions. And it's good to get experience doing lots of these. First off, you sort of see that it's a squared a and a number kind of thing, but each one of these has a common factor. And I would factor that out first. So a 3 will divide into all of them, and they each have an a. So if I factor that common factor out, I'm left with a squared minus 2a plus 1. And now what's left there, I find two numbers that multiply to 1 and add to negative 2. They're both going to be 1. And so I have to finish 3a times a minus 1. And I guess both those factors are the same, so I can say it's squared. So that's how I would do that one. The next question, a little bit different one. Like there's decimals in there, and you could change things into fractions. But I guess when I look at it, I see the number 25, and I'm thinking, well, that's 5 squared, right? So maybe this is one of those square ones. So what I would do is just take this and figure out what times what gives you 0.25, and I think that's 0.5 times 0.5. So they're the same thing. So I'm going to put a 0.5 here and a 0.5 there. It's x squared, so I'll put an x here and an x there. And then this one's 0.09. That's probably coming from 0.3 and 0.3. So I'll put a 0.3 here and a 0.3 there. All the signs up here are positive, so these will be positive. And then I would check it. This times this is going to give me that. This times this will be 0.15x, plus this one times this one is another 0.15x. And together, 15 and 15 is going to give me that 30. And finally, 0.3 times 0.3 does give me the 0.09. So you could go the 0.25 times 0.09, and you get is it 0.225 or something like that? So two numbers that multiply that and add to the 0.30. You could do that. Or you could change them into fractions too. It's just all of that kind of stuff might be a little bit harder than recognizing or trying to guess and check something like that. Okay, hopefully that helps you with those two questions.